If you've been wondering how to insert an image in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you 2 quick and easy methods so you can add images to your Lucidchart diagrams without confusion. Whether you want to upload an image from your computer or paste one directly from the web, I'll walk you through it step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your Lucidchart document. Once your diagram is loaded, look over to the left-hand toolbar. You should see an icon that looks like a landscape or image symbol. Click that icon to open the image options. From the menu that appears, select Import. After that, choose Images. This will let you bring in an image file from your device. Now browse your computer, find the image you want to use, and upload it into your Lucidchart document. Once the upload is complete, the image will appear on your canvas, where you can resize it, move it, and position it wherever you need. Now let's go over the second method, which is perfect if the image is already on a website. Open the web page that contains the image you want. Right-click on the image, then choose Copy Image from the menu. After that, switch back to your Lucidchart tab and click anywhere on the canvas grid. Now use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste the image directly into your document. This is a very fast way to add visuals without downloading the file first. If the image doesn't appear immediately, just make sure you clicked inside the canvas before pasting. Also, depending on the image source, some web images may paste better than others. So if one doesn't work, the upload method is usually the safest choice. Once your image is in Lucidchart, you can drag it into place, scale it up or down, and build your diagram around it for a cleaner, more visual workflow. And that's it. You now know how to insert an image in Lucidchart using both the upload method and the copy and paste method. These are simple tools, but they can really improve your diagrams, presentations, and process maps. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.